Okay, hello. So right now I'm just going to show you how you're going to use this Notion doc to help yourself uncover your entrepreneurial weaknesses and also create personal principles to prevent them from sabotaging your goals. Because as you know, we all have weaknesses, but if we know how to work with them, then they will not sabotage our success. So quickly, the only thing you need to do is honestly, the link for this document should be somewhere around here, maybe down below. The only thing you need to do is you just jump in here. And honestly, all of this, you don't have to read it, like do whatever you want to, but you really don't have to. You can just go straight into the highlighted questions and just answer yes or no questions. So you can say, no. These are my authentic answers, by the way. Yes, comfortable taking risk. No. Learn quickly. Yes. Let me just do this one quickly for you. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you basically just copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT. So as you can see here, there is a button where it says copy, and you just press a copy. And then you go into ChatGPT and you just paste, and then you send it. And what will happen immediately is that you will get your entrepreneurial profile. And then here are my key weaknesses. Good for you to know. And then here it says a couple of suggestions on or principles you can use to basically not make these weaknesses sabotage your success, or in this case, my success. But then if you do want to, because like obviously maybe this doesn't work for me and I want to change it, then you can just keep chatting with ChatGPT so that you actually do get the right answers. And once you're done with that and you found like, okay, now I finally have my principles, just copy it and you can have it. You just paste it right in here. And the last part, this is optional, but if you want to like kind of track your progress and make sure that you actually follow through on all these principles, you can also track it for 4 weeks if you feel like it, but this is optional. But at least here you have it. So you're welcome, enjoy, and good luck.